you still have plenty of time to prepare for the severe weather that could be heading our way.
We have Cameron James in downtown Grand Rapids for us with ideas you might want to consider to keep your home and your family safe.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Storms can oftentimes be unpredictable and occasionally able to produce life-changing damage, and that's why it's always important to have a plan in place when severe storms roll through, like the ones we could be seeing this evening in West Michigan. Now, the Michigan State Police have created their MI Ready program just for instances like these, to educate residents on what to do in an emergency situation. Now, as Matt and the rest of the Storm Teammate crew have been tracking, we could see strong winds, significant hail, and maybe even a tornado take shape in West Michigan this evening. In some areas, that hail could even be up to 2 inches in diameter. So if you may want to consider parking your car in the garage if you have one. If you don't have a garage to park your car in, you can at least fold in your side mirrors so that they don't break, and throwing a thick blanket over top of your car always helps. If you find yourself driving when it begins to hail, always remember to pull over to a safe location and don't leave your vehicle until it stops. Now, today, you should remove any dead branches that could fall from the strong winds. Also, securing outdoor objects like patio furniture. If you have trash day tomorrow, consider waiting until the morning to put your bin out to the curb. And we could see some power outages as well based on these possible storms. So have an emergency kit at the ready. Things like flashlights and batteries, portable chargers, and first aid kits are always vital during emergencies. You should also charge cell phones and other devices ahead of tonight so you have a full battery. And as always, it's important that you and your family know exactly where to go in your home in the case of an emergency. The safest spot in that home being the lowest level away from any windows and glass.